Why your life feels stuck on repeat. Why the same habits, the same failures, the same patterns keep happening. Even when you try to change, it's not destiny. It's not bad luck. It's not other people. It's something far more powerful. Your subconscious mind, the silent force controlling 95% of your life. And once you learn how to use it, you become unstoppable. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how your subconscious works and how you can reprogram it in just 7 days. Section 1. What is the subconscious mind? Think of your subconscious mind like a hidden operating system. You don't see it. You don't hear it. But everything in your life runs on it. Your habits, your confidence, your fears, your beliefs, even the choices you make without thinking. All of it comes from your subconscious programming. This program was formed during childhood, from your parents, society, trauma, memories, and even things you don't remember. The shocking part: you are not living your life. You're living your program. Section 2. How it shapes your reality. Your subconscious doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you believe. That's why poor people stay poor. Confident people attract opportunities. Fearful people repeat failure. Successful people succeed again and again. It has nothing to do with talent. It's all about programming. If deep inside you believe I'm not good enough, your mind will sabotage opportunities. If you believe money is hard, you'll push success away without realizing it. But if you believe you deserve greatness, your mind becomes a magnet for success. Your life is not random. It's a reflection of your subconscious blueprint. Save this video, you'll need it again. Section 3. The science behind it. Your brain cannot tell the difference between imagination and reality. When you visualize success, your mind thinks you're already living it. It releases the same chemicals, creates the same emotions, and builds new neural pathways. This is why elite athletes visualize winning before they step on the field. Their subconscious mind adapts, and the body follows. You attract what matches your inner frequency, not your wishes, your beliefs. Section 4. The 7-day reprogramming formula. Now the part you've been waiting for. Here is the simple, powerful 7-day formula to reprogram your subconscious mind. Day 1. Awareness. Watch your thoughts. What do you say to yourself? What patterns repeat? Just observe. Awareness is the first step to breaking old code. Day 2. Rewrite the belief. Take every negative belief and replace it with its opposite truth. I'm afraid of failure. Failure is my teacher. I'm unlucky. I create my own opportunities. This is the new code. Day 3. Visualize. Close your eyes for 5 minutes. Imagine your future self living the new belief. See it clearly. Experience it. Your subconscious speaks in images. Day 4. Feel it. Add emotion. Feel the excitement. Feel the confidence. Feel the version of you that already changed. Emotion is the fuel that charges the subconscious. Day 5. Take a small action. Your mind changes faster when your behavior matches your belief. If your new belief is I am disciplined, do one disciplined action today. Action locks in the new identity. Day 6. Silence and meditation. Spend 10 minutes in silence. No phone, no noise, just breathing. This resets the old patterns and opens space for the new ones. Day 7. Declare it. Speak it out loud. I am no longer who I was 7 days ago. I have reprogrammed my mind. Words create energy. Energy creates change. Here's the truth. Your outer world is just a mirror of your inner programming. Change the program, and your life bends with it. Money flows easier. Opportunities appear. people treat you differently, fear disappears, confidence rises. Nothing outside needs to change, only the mind inside. So remember, your mind is the seed, your belief is the water, your focus is the sunlight. Plant wisely and watch the universe grow your garden.